Welcome to the world of rustic wood transformation, where the beauty of nature meets the artistry of craftsmanship. In this space, we celebrate the unique qualities of rustic wood and its potential to become functional furniture and decorative home items. Each piece carries a story, reflecting the environment from which it originated, and embodies the creativity and skill of artisans dedicated to their craft. Join us on this journey as we delve into the artistry behind these remarkable transformations and discover how rustic wood can bring warmth and character to any home. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of transforming rustic wood into beautiful and functional pieces for your home. We hope you found inspiration in the artistry and craftsmanship involved in every creation. If you enjoyed this video, we encourage you to stay tuned for more content that celebrates the beauty of natural materials and innovative design. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who appreciate the charm of rustic wood. Your support helps us continue to bring you engaging content and connect with a community that values creativity and craftsmanship. Stay inspired. Rustic wood, with its unique textures and natural imperfections, serves as a canvas for creativity and craftsmanship. The process of transforming this material into functional furniture and decorative items begins with an appreciation of its inherent beauty. Each piece of wood tells a story, reflecting the environment from which it came. This narrative is essential in the design process, as artisans strive to honor the wood's origins while creating something new and useful. Careful selection is crucial in this transformation. Artisans often seek out reclaimed wood, giving new life to materials that might otherwise be discarded. This practice not only promotes sustainability, but also adds character to the final products. The knots, grains, and color variations in rustic would contribute to its charm, making each item unique. The craftsmanship involved in working with such materials requires a deep understanding of their properties, ensuring that the final pieces are not only beautiful, but also durable and practical. The journey from raw wood to finished product involves several stages, starting with preparation. This includes cleaning, sanding, and treating the wood to preserve its natural qualities. Artisans pay special attention to maintaining the rustic appeal while ensuring functionality. This delicate balance can be challenging, as the goal is to create items that serve a purpose without compromising the wood's organic characteristics. Incorporating traditional techniques with modern innovations is another vital aspect of working with rustic wood. Many artisans blend time-honored methods with contemporary tools to achieve precision and efficiency. This fusion allows for the creation of intricate details and complex structures, resulting in pieces that are both functional and visually striking. The use of joinery techniques, for instance, can enhance the stability of furniture while adding an artistic touch. Finishing touches are equally important in the transformation process. The application of stains, oils, or varnishes can enhance the wood's natural beauty while providing protection against wear and tear. Artisans often choose finishes that complement the rustic aesthetic, allowing the wood's grain and texture to shine through. This careful consideration of finishes contributes significantly to the longevity and appeal of the final products. Sustainability is a core principle in the transformation of rustic wood. By utilizing reclaimed materials, artisans reduce waste and promote environmental responsibility. This commitment to sustainability resonates with consumers who seek eco-friendly options for their homes. As awareness of environmental issues grows, the demand for sustainable furniture and decor continues to rise, further encouraging artisans to innovate and adapt their practices. The transformation of rustic wood into functional and decorative items also fosters a connection between people and nature. Each piece serves as a reminder of the beauty found in natural materials, encouraging individuals to appreciate the craftsmanship involved. This connection can enhance the living experience, creating spaces that feel warm, inviting, and rooted in authenticity. Moreover, these items often carry an emotional resonance. Many consumers seek out pieces that reflect their personal stories or values. The unique characteristics of Rustic would allow for a deep personal connection, making each item not just a product, but a part of the home's narrative. As families grow and evolve, these pieces can become cherished heirlooms that carry memories and significance. Collaboration among artisans can further enrich the transformation process. By sharing techniques, ideas, and resources, craftsmen can push the boundaries of what is possible with rustic wood. This collaborative spirit fosters a community of creativity, where innovation thrives and new styles emerge. Such partnerships often lead to unique collections that showcase the diverse applications of rustic materials. Incorporating technology into the crafting process has also transformed how artisans work with rustic wood. Advanced tools and machinery can enhance precision and efficiency, allowing for more intricate designs. However, the human touch remains irreplaceable. The skill and intuition of artisans are what truly bring rustic wood to life, creating pieces that resonate on both a functional and emotional level. As the popularity of rustic wood continues to rise, so does the appreciation for the artisans behind these transformations. Their dedication to craft and sustainability embodies a commitment to quality and authenticity. Consumers increasingly seek out these unique items, valuing the stories and craftsmanship that accompany each piece. Ultimately, the journey of transforming rustic wood into functional and decorative items is a testament to creativity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. Each piece is a celebration of nature's beauty, reflecting the skill and passion of the artisans who bring them to life. As this tradition continues to evolve, it promises to inspire future generations to appreciate and create with the rich materials our world has to offer. Thank you for watching the video. We appreciate your time and interest in the art of transforming rustic wood into functional and decorative items for your home. We hope you found the insights and craftsmanship showcased inspiring and that they ignite your creativity in your own spaces. Your engagement means a lot to us, and we encourage you to explore more of our content for further inspiration. If you enjoyed what you saw, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing with others who share a passion for beautiful, handcrafted designs. Together, we can continue celebrating the unique beauty of rustic materials and the skilled artisans who bring them to life.